23, 21. So you walk in, and this is in the South Tower. This time we got a South Tower room. We stayed in the North Tower last time we were here in the newly renovated, actually it was brand new suites. I guess you couldn't call them renovated. Deluxe suite. Now this is an older suite. So you walk in the room and you walk into the living room. You can see here, as we kind of pan around, got a nice little picture of the Plaza. It's an old time picture. I'm gonna definitely get a still shot of that. And you can see this TV is ridiculous. It is so small. But, you know, we're not here to watch TV. You come over here, you've got some chairs out here, a little wet bar action with a sink. And you come in here, you can see inside the fridge, sink. Underneath here, I think is just storage. Yep, nothing under there. Nothing under there, as you can see. So, get a perspective of the room from this angle. So there it is. You can see a nice little sitting area. It's got a couch. That cushion, I tried to get it to go down, but apparently it's kind of that. You can see it's dated. You can see over there on the wall where they did some repainting. You can see a view of the North Tower, where we would have probably preferred to stay, but, and there's Circa. So hopefully we will be having a visit there soon in the near future. And you can see a nice view out there of the Southern Nevada Water Authority and the mountains. And we're zooming in just a little bit here. There, as you can see, a nice shot of the mountains. So, not bad. Not bad view. I'll be looking forward to hopefully getting some footage at night. I sometimes forget to do those things. So then you move through here, and this is the bedroom. And you can see there was a door here. On this side, they took it off. You can still see where that had been. And you come through here, and it's basically just two hotel rooms. One is fitted out and outfitted. I apologize for the bad turn there. But here is the bed, king-size bed. Like I said, everything you can see, everything is just kind of a little bit dated. That was the old hotel room door. I don't believe you can enter here at that end. Outside is marked off. And you can see there is the bathroom over there. And there's the bed. Nice little dresser table. Right there. And definitely an older and dated phone. You can see on here. Bring it out. I'm going to go in there. Your room has been thoroughly disinfected prior to your arrival. We got a little sheet, just a little guide that said, hey, by the way, you know, this is all the policies. You have to make reservations right now and anywhere. You can see the TV over here. Once again, same kind of TV that's in the other room. Nothing special. Nice. I mean, it's very spacious. I will say that. Now, you come out here, before we go in the bathroom, we'll check out the view. You got even better view of Circa. Now, that is what I think is really spectacular, is that view of Circa. So you can see that out there. And once again, a view into the mountains and then the North Tower. And if you want to zoom, we're going to zoom down there into Circus pools for everyone, so you can really get a good view of that. Focus in there. Yep. Stadium swim. We will be going over there to get some footage. I don't know if it'll be later today, maybe tomorrow, but we're definitely going to do so. All right, and then this is the bathroom. You see my wife's already making good use of it because we're getting ready to go out. And now this is not a very big bathroom at all. There's only one shower, which unlike in the Lux suite, there was actually two showers, which I kind of did like. Toilet is there. I mean, it's very, look, this is not a big room at all. You're going to have to shut the door, I think, to move around in here and maneuver. I'm not getting a very good shot there, so we're just going to try to widen up the angle. I think we're as wide out as we can. Like I said, I mean, it's tough to even shoot the bathroom. So that's a perspective. When I go in, we're so close on everything. I'm just going to slide it down. There we go. Yep. See the tub. Everything. So we'll take one more little walk through. Again, the bedroom. And you can see right down here where there's literally a patch job done on the carpet right here. Now, I will let you know this room is comped, so I'm not complaining too hard. It's a comp suite. Like I said, overall, it's not bad. It is not bad. And like I said, I don't know if we actually went into this bathroom or not. I'll make sure we did. And if we didn't, there you can see right here, very nice. Into the mirror. Toilet area. And this bathroom's almost as big as the one with the shower in it. So anyways, all right, we are out. Thanks for watching.